Now question number 6. Prove that. Now like this question carries 3 or 4 marks. Prove that type question means we have to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay. We have to carry one side here down and we have to prove that it is equal to other side. Okay. To prove this we will use trigonometric identities or trigonometric ratios, relation between the trigonometric ratios. Okay. So let us solve this example. First example is sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta equal to sec theta. Okay. So let here we will take this left hand side down. Sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta equal to, we have to simplify this side and equal to we have to get sec theta. Okay. Now here addition of these two ratios is given. So we will use the method how we added rational number. That method we will use here. Okay. So here for addition of this fraction we have to do cross multiplication. First sin square theta plus cos theta into cos theta, we will get cos square theta upon cos theta equal to, now see here in numerator we got sin square theta plus cos square theta and we know the identity, first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this answer we will get 1 upon cos theta, and here reason we will write because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Followed? Now here we will use the relation between trigonometric ratios, as we know that 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta. So this way here we got sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta equal to sec theta. This way we prove. So we will write here final answer. Therefore, sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta is equal to sec theta. So this way we proved here. Now second one. Prove that cos square theta into bracket 1 plus tan square theta equal to 1. Okay. Now we will take this left hand side down. Okay. And we will simplify that side and we get the answer 1. Okay. Cos square theta into bracket 1 plus tan square theta equal to, now students simply this bracket is multiplied with cos square theta. Okay. Or in bracket you can see that 1 plus tan square theta is having one identity. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Very good. So here we will get cos square theta into bracket 1 plus tan square theta. Instead of this we will get sec square theta, and the reason we will write here, because 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Okay. Equal to cos square theta into, now sec square theta is equal to 1 upon cos square theta. Now this cos square theta get cancelled and we will get answer 1. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this way we prove. So we will write the final answer. Therefore, cos square theta into bracket 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1. Followed? Example is square root of 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta equal to sec theta minus tan theta. We have to prove this left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we will carry this left hand side down. Square root of 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta equal to. Now students, you can see that here in this left hand side the fraction is written inside the square root, and on right hand side square root is not there, means square root is taken out. So when we will take out square root, if inside the square root sign we have square terms. Okay, so our first preference is we have to convert this fraction into square terms. Okay, so for that what we will do? 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta. This numerator and denominator we will multiply by conjugate pair of denominator. Okay, so 1 plus sin theta, its conjugate pair is 1 minus sin theta. So here multiplied by 1 minus sin theta upon 1 minus sin theta. Follow this step. Equal to square root of 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. The same bracket came 2 times. That means it is the square of 1 minus sin theta. 1 minus sin theta bracket square. Now denominator 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. These brackets we got in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So the product of a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So according to that, here 1 square is 1 minus sin theta square is sin square theta. A square minus b square. Okay. Equal to square root of 1 minus sin theta bracket square upon 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. Now how it comes, let us see here. Because as we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This identity we know. And which value we want here? 1 minus sin square theta. So we will take sin square theta here. We will get 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta equal to what we will get? Cos square theta. Understood? So instead of 1 minus sin square theta, here we will get cos square theta. Follow this? Now we will take out square root. 1 minus sin theta bracket square. So this square gets removed. We will get 1 minus sin theta upon cos square theta. So square root of cos square theta is cos theta. Understood? Now here we have subtraction 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. So we will separate this subtraction. Here we will get 1 minus cos 1 upon cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta is equal to sec theta, and sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. See, this way we got sec theta minus tan theta. Followed how we prove? Then we will write this question again, final answer. Therefore, square root of 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta is equal to sec theta minus tan theta. Followed how